Guys, if you're struggling to parallel park, there's a simple way to fix this. So if this is what happens when you try to do it, obviously something is wrong. So what we want to do is we want to find an empty parking spot. So slowly drive up until you found one. As you can see right here, I have found one. And once you've done that, you want to drive up and you want to come and be parallel to the car in front. So you want to match your rear bumper with the rear bumper of the car in front of the parking spot. And once you have done this, you want to make sure that you are about 2 feet away from the car, just like this. Now, once we've done this, we want to turn our wheels all the way to the right and also make sure that there's no cars coming behind you. So just make sure there's no cars. Turn your wheels all the way to the right, just like this. And then you're slowly gonna reverse into here. Now, once you're in this position, you want to make sure that the car behind you, you can see the license plate through your side mirror. Now, once you can see it just like this, you are now in the perfect position. And then from now, we're going to straighten our wheels. So simply straighten up the wheels just like this. And once this is done, we're slowly going to back up right here until the front of our car hits the back of the car in front of us. So you can see here now our front is about the same as the back over there. So what we want to do now is we just want to turn our wheels all the way to the left side this time. So turn it all the way to the left, just like this, and then slowly reverse back in. Now, once you're in this position, you should straighten up your wheels, and then you can either reverse more or you can go up even more depending on how much space or how big your car is. But that is about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.